Hi, my plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. So I saw this nail design on Instagram somewhere and I thought it was really cool. So I was like, heck yeah, let's do it. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. We are gonna be using chrome. Don't mind the gold chrome. We're gonna be using silver or holographic chrome instead. But we're gonna use these long nails, some colored powders, a top coat from a cart, a white polish from Beetles, and a little chrome brush duster thing. And we are going to get started. So as you already know, we're going to get this shine off these nails by filing them off, and then I'm going to go in with my nail file and shape up the ends of the nails a little bit, as well as buff and smooth out the foundation so we have a smooth foundation for our gel polish to lay. Then after that, I'm going to go in with our gel base coat, and instead of 2 coats of the white gel polish, we're going to use 1, and I'll explain why later. But the white gel polish did seem a little thick, and so I didn't want so much layers of nail polish on this design, just for the simple fact that we are going to be using chrome, and I want these colors to pop out and I want them to show through the chrome. So only 1 coat of the white gel polish, and then after that we're going to get into some colors. So I'm gonna hush up now and I'll be back. So as stated before, I am just using 1 coat of this white gel polish from Beetles. Excuse me. And then I'm going to add my colored powders here. I did not add a top coat to this. just because, maybe because it's from Amazon, I'm not sure, but the colors did not show up on the top coat for some reason. Don't ask me why, but I do believe that once I applied this here, I just brushed it off and it showed up well after the fact. And we're going to be encapsulating with the top coat after we do this process. So the color is going to go on first, then I'm going to put a top coat, and then we're going to add our holographic chrome, and then we're going to top coat that as well. There's a lot of top coats going on around here. But yeah, you just want to place the colors anywhere you would like. It's kind of like a mosaic of colors, if you will. If I could just, this process alone was just so much fun because I just love how bold and bright these colors came out alone. And then after you put the top coat on there, you're gonna be like, yeah, just leave them alone. Just leave them alone. Leave the nails alone. You're gonna see in a minute. But I do, after I apply them, brush off the excess powder, and then we're going to add on that top coat, and already you can see everything just melting together, kind of like a tie-dye look, but multicolored. It's just a work of art, literally. It looks so good. And then after I applied my top coat, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and add our chrome. I think this has been the messiest, but a good mess, design that I've done thus far. That's why I am wearing gloves, because these colors will get all over. As you can see, they get all over the place. And so does the chrome. The chrome powders get all over the place as well. And I am just adding that holographic chrome powder onto the nail. And as you can see, like this is so much fun to do. It's giving like Disco Inferno vibes, you know, like that multicolored, what is that notebook that used to get in the 90s and late 80s? I forgot what they were called. But it had like the unicorns, it had notebooks, they had pens and pencils. If you know what they're called, put it in the comments below. But y'all know what I'm talking about. It's that's what it reminds me of. That's what this reminds me of. The stickers, the holographic stickers that it came with. Y'all know. Stop playing, y'all know. So yes, I'm going to continue to add my chrome onto these nails. And like I said, with the top coat, we're going to add a top coat onto this afterwards and cure for 60 seconds. And after I apply my top coat, I will be curing that for 60 seconds. And then after 60 seconds, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love how they came out. The chrome on top, the multicolor in the background. I love how these came out, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are interested, I will be selling these press-ons on my Etsy shop, so don't forget to look out for that in my chrome collection, and it will be there. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.